as we head into the summer months and our tomatoes continue to grow, it's important to maintain those tomato plants. While they might have slowed down their production, they probably are still pretty vigorous about their vegetative growth. And so we want to make sure that we are trellising them or staking them in some manner. It's important to get that fruit up off the ground and also the foliage, and allows for better airflow. So all of that will reduce potential for pathogens from splashing up, and also for harboring that in there if it doesn't get dried out, especially on these hot, humid days. Now there's a couple of different ways to trellis your tomatoes, and you've seen us use different applications over the years. We've done bamboo, we've done the stake and weave. This year we've chosen to use just a panel, basically a metal panel, to stake our tomatoes to. So as you can see, we've got them started. They've been going for a while, but as they continue to grow, it's time to check in on them. Now as it gets hotter, I don't like being out in the garden as much because it's hard with this heat and stuff. And so we've got a tool here that's going to help speed up this process. So this tool is called a tapener. So it's a combination between a tape dispenser and also a stapler. But you'll see the unique design that it's got this really wide mouth that allows it to get around the plant. So basically, you're going to put the plant and the stake in there, squeeze that handle down, and at the same time it staples it and cuts it, leaving your plant tied up. So if you click it again, just barely, half click it, it will grab the next piece of tape and it's ready to go again. So to put this into application, we'll just pull up one of our vines here. So you just kind of grab a bite of that vine. It's not actually damaging the vine. You can see the tape is going around it. The tape pulls out as you stretch it in there further. We've also got it on the back side of that metal. We squeeze it down, it staples it and cuts it. Again, ready to go for the next one. Now you can use this on vegetables, but you can also use it on a lot of other plants. So whether you have ornamentals, vines, perennials, anything that might need some way to attach to a trellis, this works. Of course, tape comes in different colors, so you don't have to use red if you don't want to. Now keep in mind, when you buy these products, you are going to need also the tape and the staples as well in order for it to work. And there are a couple of different versions on the market, so this is just one particular. We like it. It's a little bit smaller, but it makes it nice and easy to get in there. But the smaller means that it's not going to be able to hold as many staples or as much tape. Here's a little bit larger one that's going to allow you to have more tape, which means you can go further. So if you're really doing a lot, you might want to invest in the larger one. Again, it does the same sort of thing. So regardless, both of these have these large mouths that allow you to get around the plant and the trellis at the same time, which makes the task of tying your plant to the trellis a lot easier, especially in these hot summer months.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.